What's up, guys? James living in paradise. What's going on? Hey, welcome to the channel. If you're new, if you're a subscriber, guys, check it out. I'm going to show you five ways, actually six. I'm going to give you a bonus at the end of this video, how to make money on TikTok, 6 different ways. The number one way right now, guys, on TikTok to make money is live, going live on your live stream every day. There are people making $10,000 a week on TikTok live stream. Let me show you what they're doing, how they're doing it, what we're teaching people how to do. Guys, you can completely turn your life around on TikTok Live. But there's 5 other ways I'm going to go over first right now. And then, guys, if you love this information, smash the like button, help me out, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, I'll subscribe to yours. It's free, I'm not charging for this. And guys, here we go. 5, and then I'm going to give you a bonus right at the end, how to make thousands of dollars daily going live. Okay, how to make money on TikTok every hour, every minute, every second of every day, guys. You can do this daily, going live. But I'm going to get to that at the end. Watch the whole video. Number one, the first way to make money, guys, is you want to sell a product. You want to take your TikTok followers, turn them into buyers, right? So let's say you have 100,000 followers on your TikTok account. What if every single one of them sent you $1? $1, you're rich. You just made $100,000. So you want to sell a product, offer something or a service, like I offer mentoring. I mentor people, teach them how to use social media to make money every day. I also teach people how to invest in real estate. I also teach people how to cut down their expenses to almost $1,000 a month, right? And I teach people how to minimalize their life but make a lot more money while they're spending less money and investing it into businesses that make money. Okay, so the number one way, guys, you want to sell a product. If you don't have a product, contact me right here or tap the link in my description. Get me on a live call. I will set you up with a product, the number one product in the world that you don't even have to sell. People just buy it and you can make a lot of money, okay? Number two way. Okay, what you want to do is you want to do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing. If you don't know what it is, if you've been living under a rock for the last 10 years, Amazon is the number one company in the world and the number one affiliate partner marketing partnership program. So you can become an Amazon affiliate partner up with Amazon, okay? And what you do is you sell products on Amazon, but you don't have to sell them. Listen, this is a great thing. All you do is send people to Amazon to buy a product. So like, for example, an iPhone. The next iPhone coming out, 14 or 15 or 25, whatever the hell it is, you can make money sending people to Amazon to buy that iPhone. Yeah, so listen, Amazon, become an affiliate marketer with Amazon. What you want to do is put a link in your TikTok account, and whenever you're making videos on TikTok, just tell people, say, hey, check out my link in my bio. Guys, people who do TikTok, they know exactly what to do. They know that if you're selling a product, you talk about it like I am, go to my profile, go to my link, go to my bio, go check it out. I got this awesome deal, guys, on this new laptop, and I got it for like $1,500 where it's normally $2,200, right? Tap on the link in my description. That's all you got to do, or send people to your bio. But the number 2 way to make money is through affiliate marketing. Here's my information right here. If you are not making money, guys, with affiliate marketing, I'm talking while you're sleeping, in the middle of the night, while you're sleeping, you got sales coming in through affiliate marketing, contact me right here or tap the link in my description. I will set you up with the number one affiliate marketing system in the world right now. I'm talking January, almost January 29th, 2023. Contact me right now. Okay, the next way to make money using your TikTok account, number three, guys, okay, is through merch. Sell merchandise. So in other words, you can set up your account to where you're telling people, look, here's my shirts, here's my hats, here's my necklace, my glasses, whatever, and tell them, go check it out in my link. So go to my bio, go to my profile, tap the link, and sell some merch. Now, you don't have to create the merchandise, guys. There are different websites, and I'll put a link in the description where you can go, where they will do it for you. In other words, they'll put your name, they'll put your picture, whatever you want, on the shirts. This is actually a shirt that I made. I had a company make this for me. I make lots of tropical shirts because I live in the tropics. I live in the Caribbean in Mexico, right on the beach. And I sell tropical type stuff because my company's called Paradise Lifestyles. So I dress up like I'm in paradise, right? I got some cool shorts on here that matches my shirt. I don't know if you can see it. There you go. Okay. And that's what you want to do, selling merchandise. Number 3 way. Okay, the number four way to make money with TikTok. We're talking about TikTok, guys. By the way, it's the #1 social media app to make money in the world right now, okay? Number 4 way, sponsorships. You want to get companies to send you products like these glasses, put them on while you're making a video, and tell people, hey, these are really cool glasses. I'm in the direct sun right now, but I can actually look at the sun. They're UVA, how do you say that? UVA guaranteed that you've got, you're blocking the sun. So go check out these out when you tap the link in my bio, guys, and go check out these glasses. Yeah, why not? Go buy some merchandise, right? But the number 4 way is sponsors, companies, Red Bull, Monster Energy, Victoria's Secret, makeup for all you women out there, Maybelline, right? They will send you products. You place those products in your videos. You don't even have to talk about them. People see those products, and then they go buy the product, and you get paid a commission. And some of these commissions are huge, guys. Also, the company will pay you tens, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars to put those products in your videos. So let's say you've got about 300, 400, 1 million followers on TikTok. You better be telling people, hey, contact me if you're a company. I will put your product in my videos because I've got millions of followers, right? You don't even have to have a lot of followers, but if you're wearing the product and you're promoting the product, that's gonna stimulate more followers, more fans, more buyers, and you're gonna make a lot more money through sponsorships. Number 5 way is the TikTok Creator Fund. The TikTok Creator Fund says that they will pay you for all of your views. So for every view, every 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million views, they're gonna send you money, okay? Now, it's about 4 cents per every 1,000 views. So every time you post a video on TikTok, you get 1,000 views, they're gonna pay you 4 cents. Now the minimum you have to get is 10,000 views, I believe, to qualify for the TikTok Creator Fund, okay? 10,000 views on, no, I'm sorry, 100,000 views on one video, 100,000 views on one video, or all of your videos, okay? And you qualify for that TikTok Creator Fund. Now, it doesn't sound like a lot of money, 4 cents per 1,000 views. But guys, if you go viral, if you make 4, 5, 10, 20 videos and you go viral, you get millions of views, let's say 10 million views. It really adds up, guys. 10 million views, you just made $4,000. How would you like to make $4,000 every day? Start making more TikTok videos, create excellent content, build your TikTok account every day, and you can get paid by TikTok. Again, if you need any help building your account, guys, I've got 5 TikTok accounts. I used to have more. They banned a couple of them, but I learned by my mistakes. So now I have lots of different TikTok accounts. Most of them, I don't even show my face. All I'm doing is marketing different products and services with those videos. And that's what you should be doing. If you need help setting up your TikTok account to make money, 5 different ways. Oh, and I almost forgot, guys. The last most important way to make money on TikTok is coming right now. Okay, now this is a big one, guys. This is like at number 6. It's the last way to make money on TikTok, but it's actually the number 1. The number 1 way to make money on TikTok every day is going live. Ladies and gentlemen, you will not believe how many people are going live every day on TikTok. It's called a TikTok live stream, and they are making thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars per day. Per day, that's right. Guys, we got a client of ours who made over $30,000 in 1 week. 1 week. That was just last year, November of 2022, right before the end of the year. She made over 30 grand in 1 week. Why? Because she was taught how to do TikTok live the right way. So what you want to do is you got to make a decision. Do you want to struggle or do you want to make money? If you want to make money quick, TikTok live, guys. Get on your TikTok account, post some videos, tap live, go live. And you want to talk to people. You want to do live battles. So the number 1 way is to go live. Number 2, while you're on your TikTok live, guys, you need to do live battles. Let me explain that. Okay, so what we do when we get on our lives, and guys, I do this all the time too, but I hire other people to do it for me because I'm running multiple businesses online. I'm running a real estate mentoring program. I'm running a real estate investing business. I don't have the time I used to have when I was going TikTok live. Now, 2021 and 2022, guys, I was live all the time. I had days of $3,000, $4,000, $7,000, $7,000 in one day from a TikTok live. See, when you're live, guys, people are gonna send you gifts, but you have to give them a reason to send you gifts, okay? Those gifts convert into real cash. Cashola, manola, greenbacks, right? Dinero, pesos, okay, whatever country you're in, okay? Rupiah in fucking Indonesia. All right, well, you can do this all over the world. So even if you're traveling on a vacation, go TikTok live while you're on vacation. What happens is you want to go and join other people's lives, and you want to do what's called a battle where you're battling together on the same screen. Both of your faces are on the same screen, and people are sending you gifts to see who wins the battle. Now, each battle is only 5 minutes long, and then they have a 2-minute resting period, and then you can battle again. I got TikToker clients that I've taught how to do this. Guys, they will be on live for 8 hours a day. They'll take a break every hour or two. They'll take a little break and they'll say, guys, come back to my TikTok live. I've got TikTok clients who are live 24 hours a day. They never sleep. Even when they sleep, they keep their phone on, their video on them while they're sleeping. Why? Because they want to make more money. So if you want to learn how to make money, 6 different ways. The number one way is to go live, but there's a special technique and strategies you need to do while you're on your live called live battles. Contact me right here or tap the link in my description. Guys, I've got a whole team of young kids. They're young kids, 19, 20, 21, 25. They are making thousands of dollars, sometimes by the minute, guys, with TikTok live. And then we add the other 5 ways to make money with your TikTok account. Get your TikTok account set up the right way. Now you're ready for success, and you're gonna be a viral, famous TikToker and probably get rich. Contact me right now.